INS Vikramaditya is the newest and largest ship to join Indian Navy on November 16, 2013. The ship was commissioned on 16 November 13 by Defense Minister Shri Antony in Russia. Negotiations over acquiring the 44,500-ton Admiral Gorshkov started in 1994. Various high-level delegations who had assessed the ship had independently concluded that the ship's hull was in good material state and would be worth considering for exploitation in the Indian Navy with a suitable mix of aircraft. The journey of Vikramaditya began as the Kiev-class aircraft carrying cruiser Baku. The ship was finally decommissioned in 1996. Vikramaditya has repulsed 2,300 kilometers of cable, which is a little short of half of the entire coastline of India. Creation of the flydeck with structural modification to convert the FTL carrier to a stowbar carrier was the most intricate and arduous. The task involved installation of sponsons to increase the breadth at the flightdeck and a fitment of a new 14-degree ski jump, strengthening of arresting gear area, strengthening of runway area and elongation of the aft ends to generate the required length of landing strip aft of the arresting gear. In all, 234 new hull sections were installed to achieve the desired shape. Total steel work for carrying out structural modification on flydeck amounted to 2,500 t. Vikramaditya, the floating airfield, has an overall length of about 284 meters and a maximum beam of about 60 meters, stretching as much as 3 football fields put together. Standing about 20 stories tall from keel to the highest point, the sheer side of this 44,500 tons megastructure of steel is awe-inspiring. The ship has a total of 22 decks. With over 1,600 personnel on board. Vikramaditya is literally a floating city. Food requirement: a lot of eggs, 20,000 liters of milk and 16 tons of rice per month. With her complete stock of provisions, she is capable of sustaining herself at sea for a period of about 45 days. With a capacity of over 8,000 tons of LSHSD, she is capable of operations up to a range of over 7,000 nautical miles. Oregon 13,000 kilometers. Once integrated, INS Vikramaditya will bring transformational capabilities